everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. I just moved and it took me a while to set up this new kitchen studio. From now on, I'm going to upload more frequently for you guys who love Sichuan dishes. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your homemade chili oil to store-bought Lao Gan Ma chili crisp with hot varieties of chilies and fermented soybean. Make sure to watch to the end where I show you how to use this chili crisp to make one of my favorite Sichuan cold noodles. It is so delicious and so simple to make while you have this chili crisp recipe. Now let's get started. We start by selecting the chili we want for this chili crisp. I bought 3 kinds of spicy chili peppers because I wanted my chili crisp to be spicy. You can refer to the Scoville scale to find out how hot different kinds of peppers are. The 3 kinds of chili I got are Dundee cut, Thai chili, and chili arbol. After a simple taste test, Dundee cut chili turned out to be too spicy, so I decided to go with Thai chili and chili arbol. Both are medium heat chili peppers. Next, we will roast the dry chili to remove any moisture and bring out the flavor. Simply roast the peppers on medium heat and stir them until they become slightly darkened on the skin. Move the roasted peppers into a blender and blend until the desirable size. For this chili crisp recipe, it's best to not blend too finely and keep some pepper flakes. Remove the blended pepper into a bowl. We will use some fresh aromatic vegetables to add flavors to the oil. I used sliced ginger, Chinese celery, green onion, peeled garlic. Here I used about 7 to 8 cloves. Lastly, some purple onion. Add 2 cups of oil into the pot. Heat up the oil. Then add in the fresh ingredients. Be careful if there is some residue water on the veggies. The hot oil may splash. Keep frying on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. When the veggies are dehydrated and turning brown, take them out with a strainer. Next are the spices. For this recipe, I used cinnamon, bay leaf, fennel, sand ginger, cloves, black cardamom, and star anise. Put all the small spices in a tea brewing device for easy removal later. Add spices to the oil, continue frying for 15 minutes, and then remove the spices. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients we need are ground chili pepper, black fermented soybean or 豆豉 in Chinese, peanuts, Sichuan peppercorn, and sesame. Now we're ready to make the chili crisp. Make sure the oil temperature is about 120 Celsius. Add in chili powder, fry for about 3 minutes. Add in the black fermented soybean. Continue frying at low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add in the peanuts. For the whole frying process, we need to keep the stove at very low heat. Keep the oil temperature at about 120 Celsius to make sure the ingredients don't burn. Lastly, add in the sesame seeds. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Now you can bottle the chili crisp in any container. I'm using a mason jar today. The homemade chili crisp has a beautiful aroma. It can be used in noodles, cold dishes, rice, and lots of other dishes. sealed up, it can last 6 to 10 months in room temperature. It is so red and crispy, just the right kind of spicy sauce you need in your kitchen. Alright guys, now that we have our chili crisp made, let's try it in my favorite Sichuan cold noodles. First, let's boil the noodles. Today I'm using these beautiful fresh egg noodles. Next, ground up a garlic clove, adding a little water to wash up the garlic paste. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, and ground Sichuan peppercorn. Now the water is boiling, add in the noodles. Generously add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the chili crisp we just made. Mix well. Now that the noodles are ready, put them into a bowl of iced water to cool the noodles off. Add some cooked bean sprouts to the bowl. Then add in the cold noodles. Top it with some cilantro. Mix the noodles well with the sauce. This cold noodle dish is best to be had during the hot summer days. Now let's give it a try. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment and let me know what kind of peppers you used in your chili crisp. I'll see you next time.